This morning, surveying the damage. Wind's still blowing. Sergeant, be good. Look at this tree all tore down. Cliff Barackman says that it's a known fact that during hurricanes, the Bigfoots will come out and they'll tear trees. This is what's making the tree breaks during the hurricanes. It's the Bigfoot throwing it right on the roof. Bang! That big tree did go. The big tree did go. Just like we said it would. Boy, I slept good last night. Went to bed after that last explosion. And talk about white noise. Very mesmerizing. There's emergency people. Very mesmerizing. Just like to sleep with the howling wind. Drink cold coffee. I knew that was. I was filming that yesterday. I said, I knew it was gonna go. I just knew it was gonna go.
How about that didn't get over into your apartment? The tree did.
No. Know what happened with that tree? It pissed me off. So I grabbed it and I ripped it and I threw it.
Anybody seen Sue this morning? Her apartment?
Yeah, that is her apartment.
Yeah. Nobody saw her?
I'm sure she's okay. That tree didn't. I heard a dog barking. So.
Oh, the dog's okay.
The dog's okay, right? Sergeant Pepper. Did you guys fare okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was all right. A little bumpy.
Yeah. Oh, the lines. It took the lines out.
Yeah. See, I'm surprised at how much wind we're still getting.
Lost power right away, right?
That's right around 8 o'clock.
Yeah,
Boom. That might have been the damn thing there that did it.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. What happened to Jimmy? Karen, what's the matter?
Oh, I was just thinking. I couldn't remember her name.
Who? The girl? I don't know.
I just remember now, Bruni. Bruni!
That's their girlfriend. I can't remember their names. So.
I can't remember their names either. Oh, old age is sinking in on me.
The wind is still blowing. I find that amazing. I thought it would have been gone by now.
Yeah, I know.
I noticed at one point last night you had your sliding glass door window open and that wind was really going crazy. And then I saw you just closing everything up.
Yep.
You said, screw this. Were your dogs freaking?
No, actually not.
Not too bad, huh?
No, they just kind of like slept. They were a little worried. They're like prancing a little bit. So
Yeah.
concerned.
Now George's cats, they hid in the closet.
Don't blame them. That's a good spot.
They ran in the closet.
They're so smart.
I mean, you could just see the little eyes looking out. They knew something was up.
Yep.
You saw the tree, right?
Over here?
No, over there. It fell in Sue's apartment.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to go get a picture of this one.
I know. Big oak tree fell on those power lines. Yeah.
Here already. Have they done anything about it yet?
No, but all kinds of emergency vehicles have been going by, just ignoring it.
No,
I guess that's a pot.
They're an assessment.
Yeah, oh yeah. They
got to do something about this.
That's Duke Energy's problem in here.
This is a serious hazard. I'm sure back in these neighborhoods, I'm gonna walk down here and see how bad.
Lord knows what. There's more trees down there. Sun finally trying to come out.